As you can see, I placed the order for 200 and 206 leverage. So if this happens, you need to have some funds in your trading account. If you're starting from 10 US dollars, you must have at least $100 because the the volume is huge and slightly small movement will wipe off your funds. The best thing is to do is place the order for $10, and then when it asks you to increase the position, so before closing, just don't panic. Most people lose money when they panic. Panic sellers will always lose, and you need to prepare your mind that no matter what, you will. I'm sorry, I just got to this. I had recently got COVID, so it's bothering me. As you can see, from $10, and then this is uh, 0.55%. And this is just how you go in profit. So as you can see, if this goes down by any chance, and then I will increase the simply I will increase the position. As you can see, it's just repeating the same figure again, and then it's so this will be the ideal to close the position or just keep it open for let's see, as you can see, it's going down 0.96. So the best thing to do is close the position for now. There are things you will learn from your experience. You need to use your intuition power to predict it. It's all about prediction. Which direction it will move, as it can change anytime. Suppose this happens. If it goes down to 50%, it drops. So what you need to do is simply increase the position by another $10 or something like that. Don't put it on auto increase, because if market drops, it will completely wipe off your account. So the best thing to do is just wait. Or if just continuously drops down, and then the best thing is to do is close the position on and then open a new position, um, selling position, uh, sell first, buy later. So I'll show you that in another video how to do that. So as you can see, just is resisting. So just for usually I don't increase the position at this moment, but just to show you how it's done. So always keep in 1 minute, because you're high leverage trader. When you're doing high leverage trade, you need to keep the position on 1 minute, so you know which direction it will go. So if you are these are short trades, so in an hour you expect to finish at least 10 transactions, so small transactions, so you'll make enough money. I doubled my money since this afternoon when I posted the video. It was balance was $50, and now it's just over 100 right now. So this is the daily income you can make from your Stormgain account. Today is just I think it's post Christmas. It's too slow, but it will improve in New Year time. As you can see, my position is in green. Also keep in mind that all trades counts toward status. Or this will be the best option to. This will be the best stage to close the position if it goes over 10% of my investment. So it's already 14%. I closed the position on 14%, which is 1.4. 1.4 is from £10, which is you repeat these transactions 10 times, you'll make £10 an hour. If you repeat this transaction 20 times an hour, you'll make more than that. So it depends on your budget. Again, as I said, I'm just using small amount of money. So for to make these videos. So I hope this helps. If you got any question, please feel free to leave me a comment, or I'm happy to answer all your questions. Do not hesitate to ask any question. You rather ask a silly question than losing money. So I'm here to help you out, and then I just learned from the beginning as well. So I quit my job, and then now I'm just earning good enough to survive. So anyone can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. But the thing is, you need to develop your own technique, your practice more. If you go to demo account, the best thing is to do is practice on demo account the same techniques I used here. So next video will be we'll make a 300x, which will be a little bit challenging, but I'll show you. I'll close the positions in profit. So good luck and happy trading.